based out of Philadelphia, and we have 8 cross-country routes each year. There's about 250, I believe, riders each year, and the routes cover different areas of the country, and they hit usually about 47 of the 48 continental United States.
What's really exciting about it too is that the whole community that we are in when we're working on these houses sees what we're doing, sees these young people giving back to their communities, helping out, and so it revitalizes and re-energizes the entire community, not only to help that one house, but help out the entire community and make it a better place for them to live and for other people to live.